How to exfoliate your body for soft skin with scrubs. Exfoliation, derived from the Latin exfoliatus, to strip of leaves, is a term that describes any process meant to remove dead skin flakes from the body. This simple process can be done easily from home and most often will result in more radiant. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to exfoliate your body using scrubs. Number 1. Have a bath or shower. While not part of the exfoliating process per se, immersing your body in hot water will open up your pores, making your skin much more susceptible to cleaning. It also helps to do this process in the bathroom, as you'll need a ready supply of hot water and somewhere to wash away the dead skin flakes once they've been scrubbed off. Use a skin-friendly, perfume-free detergent for bath and allow at least 15 minutes to soften, macerating, the skin surface. It is good when the skin surface looks a bit deformed. Remove dead skin by rubbing it away with your hands. It will work well, especially at your feet, toes, and heels. Number 2. Get a textured sponge to wash your skin. Tending to your skin with it will help rub away excess skin flakes, leaving your skin softer and cleaner than before. It is recommended you have a sponge ready for use once you have finished up your shower. It should feel slightly rough on your skin, but if it's abrasive to the point of pain, exfoliating washcloths are a suitable, gentler alternative. Exfoliating can also be done with a rough washcloth. A natural bristle brush makes for a good alternative, particularly while scrubbing the backs of arms or legs. If you're the do-it-yourself type, you might look into making your own loofah from home. Number 3. Scrub your body gently with your sponge starting from the ankles upward. Scrub the sponge over your skin in small, circular motions. Make sure to apply some pressure to feel the sponge's rough texture on your skin, that way, it will rub the surface layer dead skin away. Starting at the ankles is recommended because it helps to encourage positive blood circulation during the exfoliation process. If you're exfoliating your entire body, make sure to give extra attention to your heels, elbows, and knees. These are generally considered to be the driest parts of one's skin, and should be given greater attention accordingly. Number 4. Add wet sand or salt to your full body exfoliation. If you've ever walked along the beach barefoot, you may have noticed your foot calluses soften. Sand granules are a naturally occurring exfoliant, and their grainy texture is well suited to scraping away your excess skin flakes. Salt scrubs do the same thing. You can find sand and salt exfoliating products at any store that sells beauty and skincare products. Number 5. Rinse with hot water. Closing up shop with a body rinse is a relaxing and effective way to finish your exfoliation. Although it's recommended you repeat this process at least 3 times a week, you should notice an immediate softness with your skin. Applying a moisturizer or shea butter following your rinse, even following an otherwise purely mechanical cleanse, will help your skin better retain moisture. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.